launch the National Budget Month for 2026.
Dr. Ramadan Gobi nagira ngu Bagyeti y'ihanga Eshemereire kuba neyetegerezibwa buri munya-Uganda.
Tuli wano okulaba nti Bagyeti yaffe abantu bonna aba Uganda bagitegeera bulungi. So tulina omwezi guno gwe tuyita National Budget Month. Tufunayo omwezi omwo mwe tusomera budget omwezi ogw'omukaaga ne tulambika bulungi budget eno erimu ki buli munnayuganda akitegeere.
Yayongera yagira ngo kwezi kwa mukaaga n'okwokuhayo ebiteekateeko ahashemereire kuhinduka omu Bagyeti y'ihanga kandi n'okushwijuma ahabikozirwe omwaka oguhwire.
Kati guno omwezi twaguwaayo okulaba nti tudda gye muli mutubuulire, okusookera ddala tubabuulire budget erimu ki, ekirala biki bye mwandyagadde okulaba nti bikyukamu, ekirala eri budget ewedde yakola etya.
Dr. Ramadan Gobi nagira ngu Bagyeti obwa hati neteeka amaani omu kutunguura Uganda omu by'obuhingi n'oburiisa, omu by'oburambuzi, omu bya sayansi hamwe na tekinologiya.
Bye tusinza okuteekako ennyo essira kwe kulaba nti budget yaffe ekyukamu n'ebeera nti ensimbi ezisinga obungi eziri mu budget zigenda mu bintu ebigenda okutumbula ebyenfuna bya Uganda. Twabiteeka mu kanyomera ke tuyita ATMs. Ebyobulimi bye bisooka, ebyobulimi n'obulunzi. Ekiddako bya bulambuzi.
Yayongera yagira ngu eby'okukyamura nabyo bireesereho entunguka mu gavumenti ya Uganda.
Then ne tugattako omwo abo bannasayansi n'abalala ne bannaffe abo abakozesa omutwe, abavubuka abato okuyiiya naddala ebikwatagana okusanyusa abantu, creative industry, nabo twabagaseeko. Kati ebintu ebyo bina ensimbi ezisinga mu budget ze bikolako n'ebyo ebibiyamba okukola obulungi.
Julius Mukonda, Executive Director wa Civil Society Budget Advocacy Group nagira ngu President ashemereire kuba naagamba kurwanisa obushumankuzi obwe yaba naahayo orubazi orwe arigambira ihanga. Yayongera yagira ngu hashemereire kuba nahabaho okushwijuma enjeri y'egavumenti erikushashanya sente akugira ngu obutabarwa mwenda n'obushashurwa abakozi ba gavumenti kandi obwe ihanga ryo ndyeyongyera kugira amabanja.
What we remain with are the impediments to a faster growth, but also the challenges that we face that can be addressed. So I would love my president to talk about how he intends, for example, to deal with the corruption once and for all, because it is one of the areas where there is serious leakages in the public administration system. The second one, of course, is how can he reduce the cost of running this government, because right now is that really we have almost 9 trillion in terms of wages, just alone in terms of wages. We feel that really these are some areas that we can reduce the cost of running the administration, so we can be able to relieve government the pressure of borrowing.
And this is despite the fact that Uganda's health system is very resilient. We have experience in limiting outbreaks in the past. His Excellency the President put his best foot forward during COVID, even now, but you can see already. So we urge the media and commend Ugandans that for the first time ever, we are all united in pushing back against misinformation and lumping us with other countries.
Stephen Asimwe, Executive Director wa Private Sector Foundation Uganda, yashaba gavumenti kurebuka ngu sente zirateekwa mu Bagyeti zareebuka omumbera akorwe hamwe n'omu nteekateeka za gavumenti.
So for us at private sector, our cardinal and principal interest is to ensure that this money that is going to be deployed gives us value for money, that infrastructure is fixed, that there is efficiency and effectiveness in government programs.
The national budget, as we all know, is not just about numbers and money, although it matters again, but it reflects our shared goals for better services, economic growth, accountability, but also a better future for all our citizens.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Ivan Yesiga muri Kampala.
This appears on the front page of